guys. Oh my gosh, I just realized I haven't been saying my name. Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Yes, Day 4. It is still a little bit dark outside, even though it's like 9:56 a.m. And it's not like dark like, oh my gosh, because obviously there's light for me to film, but it's so foggy outside and so cool, and I'm just like, yes, give us this winter cold, please. I have been begging, like, I want to wear all of my sweaters and sweatshirts comfortably. So that's how the weather is today, and it's giving me very, very chill snow day winter vibes, and I'm loving it. But today is going to be another very relaxing day because I want to be able to finish the body of my sweater today. Now, I don't know if I'll be able to finish the body of my sweater in this video today, but today is what? Saturday today, I want to finish it literally by tonight. That would be so awesome. I will be so on track to finishing this sweater in 7 days, and I would be so happy. Like, I'm ready to work on like smaller projects. Like, I want to finish my sock, I want to make a beanie with some yarn that my sister got, and I'm so excited. I'm probably gonna finish so many projects this month. I am just like, I'm ready. Okay, but what am I gonna do today? Well, like I said, I'm gonna continue working on my sweater. I don't know if I have any yarn coming in today. If I do, I'll show you guys that. I will be answering some questions. No, I asked a question on Instagram, on my Instagram story, so I'll be reading out your responses. And of course, opening the yarn advent calendar. I'm excited to see what color will be here today, like will be shown. Like, is it gonna be more blue? I will literally, oh my gosh, I love blue. Blue is my favorite color, so if it's blue, oh my gosh, I'm happy. But let me show you the progress I have made on my sweater. This is what it looks like so far. Yesterday, let me show you, I put a progress keeper on. So yesterday, when I showed you guys, I finished this part. So between last night and this morning, I got this much done. So that is 12 centimeters. And I was saying yesterday, like, okay, my belly button is literally right here. So this sweater is almost finished. I just need like 20 more centimeters and I will be finished. And I'm so happy because I did 12 centimeters between last night and this morning, which means if I just need 20 more centimeters, I could possibly, most likely, get the body done today, okay? Like 20 centimeters, 7mm needles, that's like quick, okay? So yesterday, when I was ending my video, I was like, I want to get like, what, 10 centimeters, and I did 12. I'm so happy about that. So today, let's try to tackle 20 centimeters and see how that goes. I'm not going to be streaming today, so that's going to be even more time for me to just focus solely on this sweater. And I can't wait to update you guys and show you how much I have done. So that is all that I have for this intro. Not long at all, I think. 4 minutes, okay, yeah. Not long at all. I have been seeing all of you guys' projects in Discord and it has been so freaking awesome. A lot of you are doing the Sunday sweater as well, so it's so cool seeing your progress and my progress, and my sister Kahila is gonna start it soon, so I'm just, when are you gonna start it?
After I'm done with the anchor sweater.
Okay, like next week.
Yeah, probably after the 11th.
Okay. So in like a week and some change, Kahila's gonna start her Sunday sweater. I will be done with my sweater by then, but it's gonna be so cool to see someone else work it up, see the yarn she uses. The yarn she's using is so pretty, oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm rambling. Okay, bye. shows because from the shows there's only one show because yarn mail. Oh my gosh, these are Christmas skeins that I got. This is what it looks like. The bag says, "Thank you, Kalila. You're welcome." This yarn is from Teeny Button. I get a lot of yarn from her. Look at these. These are such pretty skeins. If you can see, there's like glitter on them.
Is that the Christmas tree farm?
Yeah, it's called Glimmer Sock because it has like these strands of, I don't know what it's called, but whatever strand that is like woven into yarn that makes it just shine. Like not really shine, but like actually glitter. It's just so pretty. But yeah, it is fingering weight, 75% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 5% gold stellina. So stellina is the gold fiber that's woven into this. And this is 438 yards or 400 meters per 100 grams. And this is called Christmas Tree Farm. So Teeny Button, she makes this in New Orleans, Louisiana. Oh my gosh. It's just so beautiful. I got 2 skeins because I want to make socks out of them. But now I realize there are 438 yards, so Kahila could possibly get one of them. Make some nice socks.
Yeah.
This could be what we make socks out of. Like Christmas. It's gonna be Christmassy.
Okay.
Okay. So, early, Malika. So, these socks will probably be, this yarn will probably be the next sock that I make. Especially since it's Christmas yarn, so I need to make it for Christmas. Of course, I won't finish it by Christmas, but still, that'll be awesome. But that is my yarn. Oh, also, I asked you guys what you guys make on Instagram. I asked you what kind of projects you guys make, so let me see your answers. Someone said, so I'm reading these answers. You can't see, but it's okay. Someone said sweaters, I'm with you. Bags. My sisters made a lot of bags. I made one bag, and then I was done with making bags. I didn't care to make more. Sweaters and mittens. Sweaters, another notch for sweaters. Mittens, I have not thought to make mittens, but mainly because it's not cold enough for mittens here. So sweaters and cardigans, I can get down with that. I don't really make cardigans. I've only made 2 ever, and they were both crocheted. I haven't knitted a cardigan yet. I think I'll start knitting cardigans in like March or so. Sweaters, tops, and cute things. I like the cute things because that means like anything that is deemed cute to people. But sweaters, yes. Tops, yes. I got a lot of top patterns recently, knitting patterns. So I'm on a knitting binge, okay? Like I may not crochet for the next few months. Let's be honest, because I just want to knit everything. Sweaters, yes, everyone loves it. I love that everyone loves making sweaters. I love making hats for my friends. That is so cute because I make nothing for people. Except now I'm making socks for my sister because it was an accident and, you know, I thought of her. So that counts, right? Clothing and blankets because you can go crazy. Clothing for sure. Blankets, absolutely not for me. I spent the first part of my crochet journey making blankets, 6x6, 6 feet by 6 feet blankets. I don't want to do that again. Like, I have no interest in doing that. I only did blankets because that was the only thing I knew how to do. Pillow covers, oh my gosh. I literally spent, like when I first started crocheting regularly, I was looking at pillow covers. Why? I don't even have like throw pillows or anything, but I was looking at how to make different pillow covers because they look so cute, especially the ones that had like pictures on them and you could do like tapestry crochet. Oh, I love it. Someone said everything in like caps, everything. I love that. Sweaters and anything big projects. Yes, same, because I like big projects, but I like small projects as well, like socks and hats. So I could get down with both. Like after I finish this sweater, the Sunday sweater, I'm going to finish up my socks and start a hat because I just want to do like small projects in between doing another sweater. And then a lot more people said,
I was like,
oh, sorry. And a lot more people said sweaters and cardigan. My sisters are like, okay, hurry up. Okay, sorry.
You got Hulu bouncing in the background.
I'm sorry. Okay. A lot of people said sweaters and cardigans and stuff, so I like that. You guys are on the same wavelength as me when it comes to my sister. Malika is mocking me. Anyway, same wavelength when it comes to what we like to make. So yeah, anyway, I'm excited to wind these up and make socks out of them. We'll probably see that in like 2 weeks or so. We'll see. Alrighty guys, let me show you the progress that I have on my sweater. Okay, I moved, hold on, my mole hair is trapped. Okay, I moved my stitch marker up. Like after I talked to you guys this morning, I removed my stitch marker and then placed it at the stitch, like on the row that I started. So this is how much I have done from here to here so far today, which is around 10 centimeters. And remember I said I needed like 20 centimeters to be done with the body panel before the ribbing, which means I only have 10 more centimeters left before the ribbing, which also means I can definitely finish this sweater by tonight. Okay, not the sweater, oh my gosh, what am I saying? The body of the sweater. But let me show you how long it has gotten. I don't know if it looks the same to you guys every single time, but just to give you a little visual, this is my waist right here, and last time it was by my belly button, but now it is here by my waist. So these are my pockets right here, so waistband and everything. That is how long it has gotten from the neckline. It's so dark right here. I think it's because of this. Yeah, it's okay. Anyway, but yes, when I sit down, this hits my lap. So that is very long and I've gotten so much done. I am so excited to be finished with this. As you guys know, I have so many things planned, but now that I have done that knitting all day today, time to open up the Advent yarn. So let's see what we have. It is day 4, of course, if it'll focus. Yes, day 4. I'm excited. Will it be blue? Will it be whiter? Who knows? Okay. It's whiter and bluer. Oh my gosh. And by whiter, I mean like whiter, like the color white. Oh my gosh, look at this. Hold on, let me move to some light. Oh my gosh. This looks so freaking good. So is it fading into some bright white? Like there's still purple areas and everything, but it is so much lighter and there are like streaks of blue still through it. Like it's giving off a bluish hue now. Let me get days 1 through 3 so that I can show you guys how it's fading. Okay, let's hope I can hold all of these. So this is today's own, day 4. This is day 3, day 2, and day 1. So this, maybe I should hold it this way. I'll hold it like this. This is how it's fading. So day 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that fade. Oh my gosh. This is turning out so, see, you see how day 3, it was turning like bluish and whitish. And now day 4, today's own, it's more white and blue. This is so good. This is so freaking good. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay, let me make sure I put everything where it needs to be. Let's put this back in here so I can keep track of which one is which. So 4 days of Advent, 4 days of Vlogmas, and I am so ready for the rest of the month. I'm ready to see what's gonna happen, what I'm actually going to accomplish and everything. Like, doing this every single day has literally gotten me so much progress on my on my sweater. Like it's keeping me motivated, and I'm just so excited. I say I'm so excited all the time because I'm just so excited, okay? But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already. Thank you guys. Again, just thank you. And I'll see you guys next time with another one tomorrow. Bye.